Most students get this question wrong because they use wrong theorem. Let's see if we can solve it before I do. So the problem here is find angle BED. But angle BED is identified here, this angle here. So I would want you to identify with me. I have an isosceles triangle. I've been told that this side and this side, they are equal to each other. That means this entire side. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. And so the base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. So that means this angle here, if I call it X, X will be equals to 30 degrees. Y, base angles of isosceles triangle ABC, triangle ABC. So this is 30 degrees. In my previous class, I taught you about the exterior angle of a triangle. Again, I'm going to teach you again, just very briefly. Let's say I have a triangle. This is a triangle. When a side of the triangle is extended, an angle is formed outside. That angle is called the exterior angle. Now, the exterior angle theorem is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, so let's do it this way. This triangle has three interior angles. Let's call it A, B, and C. I'm calling this exterior angle D. So the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. That is A plus B. This angle C here is adjacent to D, so it is not opposite to D. Do you get what exterior angle is now? Alright, so let's apply it in the problem I have here. So now this angle here serves as an exterior angle. I like using exterior angle because it is faster. It makes the job faster. So this angle here will be equal to 30 plus x. And I got x to be 30, right? So this angle here, if I call it maybe y, I would say that my y is equals to 30 plus the other 30. Exterior angle of a triangle, that's the reason. And my y is 60 degrees. I know some of you would prefer to find this first. That's correct. Using some of angles in a triangle. And then you find this y using angles in a straight line. That's okay. You're still going to arrive at the same value. But I love the exterior angle because it is faster. Alright, so my y here now is 60 degrees, right? Y is 60 degrees. Alright, this is what I'm looking for. Angle BED. This is BED here, over here. Angle BED. Okay. So pay attention again. Angle BED is serving as an exterior angle again. Look at it. You would see that this angle is serving as an exterior angle when this blue line is extended. You see? So I would say that angle BED is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, and that will be 60 plus 25 degrees, and BED is 85 degrees. But of course, someone else may decide to find this angle using some of angles in a triangle. You find this, and then you find angle BED using angles on a straight line. You know, some of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and some of angles on a straight line is also 180 degrees. You still get the same answer, but the exterior angle makes your work easier and faster. So angle BED is 85 degrees. Please click on the subscribe button now. Follow, like this page, and leave your comments below. I'm going to see you in the next problem.